Dear guys, in this video we can describe rock specimens with the help of properties and mineral compositions, and also we can discuss about uses of rocks. This is very important where these rocks are used for construction. First one is gabbro. The structure is crystalline, color is greenish black, texture is medium equigranular, the grain size is equal. All grains are present in this mineral are medium equal in size. Grain size are equal in size. And the mineral composition. There are two types of mineral composition. One is essential mineral and the second one is accessory mineral. Essential minerals like feldspar, augite minerals are present in this rock. Feldspar and augite mineral present in this rock. And as an accessory mineral, biotite and olivine minerals. Biotite and olivine minerals are present. Essential minerals means these always it will be present in this rock, feldspar and augite. Accessory means biotite and olivine. Sometimes there may be a variation in uh, composition. Sometimes there may be a chances of absence of any one mineral, either biotite or olivine. Occurrence: plutonic igneous rock. These rocks are formed as plutonic igneous rocks. Use: ornamental purpose and construction purpose. Gabbro will be constructed for uh, uh, gabbro will be used for construction purpose. Second is dunite. Dunite, this is the structure is crystalline, color is green with yellow tint, texture is fine and equigranular. Very fine grains are present in this rock and all the grain size are equal. And mineral composition: essential mineral is olivine, only essential mineral, not the accessory mineral. Olivine mineral is essential to form the dunite. Occurrence: intrusive igneous rock. Use: for construction. These dunite also will be used for construction purpose. And the next is the cyanide porphyry. The structure of cyanide porphyry is crystalline, color reddish black, mesocratic. Mineral composition: essential minerals are quartz and feldspar minerals. Accessory minerals: biotite, hornblende and pyrite. Occurrence: plutonic igneous rock. At deep-seated rocks, we can see there is cyanide porphyry. Uses: construction, architecture, sculpture, and as aggregates we are using this cyanide porphyry. And next is felsite porphyry. Structure is crystalline, color green with pink minerals, igneous rocks, texture porphyritic texture, mineral composition is essential mineral is feldspar and quartz group, minerals. Occurrence hypervessel, use decorative purpose, interior decoration and the external decoration in the buildings and all. We can use this feldsite porphyry. Next is pegmatite. As you know that pegmatite is the hypervessel rock. We can call it as intrusive pegmatite. Structure crystalline, color white, leucoprotetic, texture coarse is grained, mineral composition. Essential minerals are quartz, feldspar, and accessory minerals are mica and tourmaline. Occurrence intrusive igneous rock. Use this will be not used pegmatite because as it has high brittleness. And next is amygdaloidal basalt. The basalts are having vesicles, holes are present due to the escape of gas at the time of forming the igneous rocks. These holes are filled by the foreign material. This structure is called as amygdaloidal structure. So this is we find in basalt. Structure crystalline amygdaloidal, color gray or black, texture fine grained, mineral composition. Essential minerals are olivine, feldspar, hornblende. Accessory minerals are quartz. Occurrence volcanic igneous rock. Use as aggregates in construction. Next is dolerite. Dolerite structure crystalline, color black, texture medium to fine grained, mineral composition. Essential minerals are augite and feldspar. Occurrence sills and dikes. Use aggregates and ornamental. This dolerite can be used for aggregates. Next is granite. Structure crystalline, color gray, texture medium grain, equigranular, mineral composition essential quartz and feldspar, accessory mineral biotite, hornblende and pyrite. Occurrence plutonic igneous rock, sculpture, aggregates and construction material. Next is vesicular basalt. Structure crystalline, vesicular, color gray, black, texture fine grained, mineral composition. Essential minerals are olivine, feldspar group mineral, hornblende. Essential minerals are quartz. Occurrence volcanic igneous rock. Use aggregates construction. Next is cyanite. Structure crystalline, color white, gray, dark gray, texture coarse to medium grain, mineral composition essential is feldspar group mineral, accessory hornblende. biotite, and muscovite minerals. Occurrence: plutonic igneous rock, use ornamental purpose. Next is granite porphyry. Structure is crystalline, color red, dark gray, texture coarse to medium grain, mineral composition essential is feldspar group, accessory hornblende, biotite, muscovite, occurrence plutonic igneous rock, use ornamental purpose and construction. Next is diorite porphyry. Structure crystalline, color red, texture coarse grain, mineral composition essential feldspar group mineral, accessories hornblende, biotite, and quartz minerals. Occurrence in the sills and dikes. Uses ornamental purpose. And the last one here you can see pink granite. This only pink granite is coming under the igneous rock. Structure is crystalline, color red, texture medium green equigranular, mineral composition. Essential minerals are quartz and feldspar group mineral. Accessory minerals biotite, hornblende, pyrite. Occurrence plutonic igneous rocks. Sculpture, this will be used in sculpture, aggregates and construction material. Pink granite will be used for interior as well as external decoration purpose in the building, and also this will be used for flooring purpose. The grey granite will be used in the constructions. You can see the Vidhan Soudha in Karnataka. The Vidhan Soudha is constructed with the grey granite, and the Belur Halebeedu, these temples are constructed here. The dolerite dikes are used for this building, this temple, and stone chariot carved from granite at Hampi in Karnataka. For stone chariot and many temples are constructed with the granite at Hampi. And basalt used in Gol Gumbaz at Bijapur. Bijapur Gol Gumbaz is the archaeology, the one of the famous building structure in Karnataka. For this Gol Gumbaz, construction of Gol Gumbaz, basalt is used in Bijapur. Guys, in the next video, I am going to explain about the properties, mineral composition, and uses of rocks for sedimentary rocks. Thank you.